Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you play the kalimba. First, hold your kalimba gently with both hands, ensuring your thumbs are free to move across the tines. Find a comfortable, relaxed posture, whether sitting or standing, to prevent any strain. This initial setup is crucial for a pleasant playing experience. Take a moment to feel the instrument and its weight in your hands, preparing for your first notes. Now, let's understand the tines. Each metal tine on your kalimba produces a unique musical note. You will notice that the longer tines create lower-pitched sounds, while the shorter tines produce higher-pitched notes. Many kalimbas have the notes like C, D, E engraved directly onto the tines, making it easier to identify them as you play. To produce sound, use your thumbnails to gently pluck the tines downwards. For a clear, resonant note, aim for a smooth, controlled motion. You can pluck individual tines for melodies or pluck 2 or 3 adjacent tines simultaneously to create beautiful chords. Experiment with the pressure and angle to find the sound you like best. To begin playing songs, start with very simple melodies, perhaps a familiar nursery rhyme. Consistent practice, even for just 15 minutes daily, will significantly improve your skill. Don't be afraid to experiment with different rhythms and create your own tunes. The most important thing is to enjoy the soothing and unique sounds your kalimba produces.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.